I'm confused. I thought I accidentally dropped this down there and I couldn't get it. I almost lost my tablet, but luckily the headphone was still connected to it when I fell asleep. I was able to pull it back up. It woke me up. I find time to tell Fancy I need to get the remote. But all of a sudden, this remote is in my room. I thought, well, maybe someone thought this was mine. It goes in the living room. So I look in the living room, and where is that? That one's on the table. I looked, it's the very same one. It's like this. So I'm not sure what remote fell behind the bed. I know it ain't the DVD Blu-ray player because that's smaller. That's and I didn't put that remote there. Is this what Tommy said while I was eating the ice cream? I'll explain the magic trick later on or in a few minutes. Well, at first I thought he was talking how did he get all the ice cream done when he didn't open the other one up. But then I come in here and see this here. I don't know. I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone and Outer Limits and Robert Englund's version of the Twilight Zone and Outer Limits. Do 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 do.